Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi. Welcome to you my YouTube channel Experience the Maths. And today in this video we are going to discuss about 9th class mathematics NCERT chapter 14, and we will discuss about some basic introduction of the chapter before starting our exercises. So children, what is the statistic? So before moving or jumping to the main topic, let's discuss about some uh, basic point which we must know if we are studying the statistic. So as we know, in our day to day life we across some basic informations. Okay, so suppose basic information, suppose when we read the newspaper in our day to day life, so there are some information in which we can see about the policies declared by the government. If there is any new information, so these are the informations, okay, which can be in form of facts means some statement. It can be numerical figures means what is the profit of in this year. So it may be the production of the um, crops of pulses, potatoes means it can be a numeric value, the number of and the population of a particular state, the number of schools in a particular state. It can be in numerical figures, it can be tables, it can be graph. So these are the different form of the information which we encounter in our day to day life. And how we will get those informations, what are the source of these informations? We can come to know by the newspaper, television, magazine, some other mean of communications like radio, mobile phone, internet. So these are the way or sources of information which we got. And what are the information? Any fact, any numeric value, tables, graphs. So these are the informations. Okay. So and what are these informations are related? So these information can be related. Suppose there is a cricket match. So sometime you can see when you are watching the cricket match and a batsman is playing, suddenly a graph of his uh, bowling or his batting, and some time they show in a window on the television about the cricketers one day match history, कि how much total match he had played, and how much run he had made, and if he's a bowler how much cricket match did he played, and how much wicket he has taken, what is the number of runs he has gave, how many times he didn't even score a single run, I mean, how many times he bowled on zero. So these are the information can be related in a cricket match. Okay, so sometime a team is playing, suppose there is a South Africa team is playing, then he will discuss about the history of the uh, cricket of the South Africa, means how many time he won the um, how many time he won the World Cup match, or how many time he played with India, how many time he played and lose with India and win with India. So these the information can be related in any forms. Okay, so suppose if you are watching the weather forecasting, so it can be sometime it will be a heavy rain, so sometime it will be a not rain at all, since last 3 years there is no, in a particular state there is a no rain. Okay, so this means in our day to day life we encounter several type of informations. It can be a information can be related to a school record of a particular student, in which year he took the admission in the school, how much he scored in his different classes, in his different exams. Okay, So these are the information related. Okay, so first, information can be in the form, various form. Okay, table form, graph form, it can be numeric form, fact form. And what are the sources? Newspaper, television, magazine, mobile phone, internet, a person, file. And these are related, information can be related the incident and the events happening around us in our day to day life. So information are related to only those information we have to keep for the future purpose. Okay, now the main point, data. What is the data? So fact or figure which are numeric or otherwise collected with a defined purpose are called data. Okay, so these are the information. Okay, means a random information we have when you open the newspaper. Suppose देखो, अब डेटा और इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या है, आप अगर कोई न्यूज़पेपर ओपन करते हैं तो देयर आर सेवरल टाइप ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन. ओके, अब आपको क्या करना है, सपोज यू हैव अ प्रोजेक्ट एंड यू हैव टू keep the record of the temperature in your place, minimum and maximum temperature. Okay, so you will start writing or start keeping the record from the newspaper and recording it, or you are writing in somewhere safe place. So this will be the data. Means data और information में क्या फ़र्क है बेटा? डेटा हो गया आपका, इन्फॉर्मेशन हो गई कि सिंपल इन्फॉर्मेशन, न्यूमेरिक हो गया आपका, फिगर हो गया, फैक्ट्स हो गया, टेबल हो गया. अब डेटा क्या होता है? डेटा भी इन्फॉर्मेशन ही है, बट डेटा स्पेसिफिक पर्पज़ के लिए हम कलेक्ट करते हैं. हमें पर्पज़ पता होता है. अगर सपोज़ मुझे किसी बच्चे का रिकॉर्ड देखना है, ठीक है, तो मैं उसकी परफॉर्मेंस देखूंगी कि इसका टेस्ट में इतने नंबर आए और इस बच्चे का किस P1 P2 में क्या परफॉर्मेंस था. तो मेरा स्पेसिफिक पर्पज़ है कि मैं उस बच्चे की प्रोग्रेस को चेक करना चाहती हूँ. सो दिस विल बी द डेटा फॉर मी. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ क्लियर टिल डेटा. कि डेटा इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या होती है? रैंडम होती है आपके पास किसी भी फैक्ट से रिलेटेड. और डेटा क्या होता है कि न्यूमेरिक हो सकता है आपका, और कुछ भी हो सकता है, फिगर हो सकता है. ये हम क्यों कलेक्ट करते हैं? जब हमारे पास कोई एक डिफाइंड पर्पज़ होता है कि मैं इसलिए ये इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर रही हूँ, उस केस में वो डेटा बन जाता है. ठीक है, अगर सपोज़ डेटा का ही एक एग्जांपल मैं आपको बता दूँ कि कोई गवर्नमेंट है किसी पर्टिकुलर एरिया में कोई स्कूल ओपन करना चाहती है. ठीक है, तो स्कूल ओपन करना चाहती है इस पर्पज़ से. अगर कोई गवर्नमेंट या गवर्नमेंट का एम्प्लॉय उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मेल है, फीमेल है, उसको कलेक्ट करना स्टार्ट करता है कि भाई कितनी गर्ल्स हैं, कितने बॉयज़ हैं, तो वो उसका डेटा हो जाएगा. क्योंकि उसका पर्पज़ क्या है? ही वांट टू ओपन अ स्कूल इन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. तो वो हमारा डेटा हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो इन्फॉर्मेशन. तो अभी हमने क्या क्या पढ़ लिया इसमें? डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, इंफॉर्मेशन may be collected, the event, the situation, the happening around us, and what is the data. So it is clear till now? Okay.